Here we have a kidney. Here is the renal artery.
The renal artery is an essential vessel in the human body which provides oxygenated blood coming from the heart into the kidneys. The diseases to the artery can cause multiple defects in our body, and an example of this is renal stenosis. As shown in this diagram, an example of renal artery disease will be renal artery stenosis, which is a buildup of plaque in the renal artery. This can compromise the blood flow going into the kidneys, which then will not properly be able to dissolve and dismember the waste in our bodies, which essentially is the main function of the kidneys, alongside creating urine.
Over superior. In the middle, we have the renal vein.
Bilateral to the renal artery and slightly inferior to the entry point of the renal artery is the presence of the renal vein, which returns blood from the kidney through the inferior vena cava into the heart to be reoxygenated and circulated throughout the body once more.
Right here. Right here we have the ureter.
The last vessel seen in the kidney is the ureter, which essentially is a duct that carries the urine from the capsules, otherwise known as the medulla, from the kidney to the bladder, storing it until urination.
Then we have
You guys have
the
7 minutes.
The renal medulla, otherwise known as renal capsules or renal pyramids, are where the urine is stored and the waste is disposed of inside of the kidney. In the renal medulla, this is where urination is also produced and stored until transport to the bladder for output, otherwise known as urination, more commonly known as peeing.